This is how it's clean and cut.
Ooh, look at that beautiful trout right there. All right, first thing you want to do is take the head off. Always nice to just run it right up the pooper hole. Run your blade up the pooper hole along its belly. Get all the guts out. And you just take your thumb and you run it up the, it's like a vein in the back. Get all the inside all cleaned out. If you don't have anything to clean it on, you can always just use a bucket too. And what you got is a nice clean fish right there. Yeah, and if you wanted to, you could always take the scales off the outside. We usually don't worry too much about it. We just cook them just like that. Put them in the bag, good to go. Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat this delicious trout here. Just caught just a few hours ago. Get the skin off there. One thing with the trout, you just kind of wash the bones, but if you know what you're working with, you'll be all right. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. That is really good.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Oh, dang. Try that. Hot.
Mmm.
Yeah. Nice work.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's good for you too. Mmm. Oh my goodness. That's really good.
Thank you.
Dang. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. There it is. This is delicious. This trout was so freaking good. That's all that's left of it. Not too many things better than that. This is the skin. A couple bites with bones in it. Oh, man. A lot of meat on these things. Gotta watch out for those, though. When you pull the meat off, just rake it that way from the spine. So good. This baby was just swimming around this morning. Super good.